You know what the difference between being rich and being wealthy? Being rich, you can fake. Being wealthy, you can't fake that. What's up, YouTube? I'm Debt-Free Joel. On today's personal finance tip, we're going to talk about the difference between being rich, no, and being wealthy, yeah. If you like these type of videos, feel free to click the like and subscribe button, and let's get to it. So why do you need to know the difference between being rich and being wealthy in terms of your personal finance journey? Think about it this way. If you're looking to be rich, chances are you're looking to impress another person. You see, rich is being flashy. Rich is what we grew up around, right? That was the people who wore the nice big chains on their neck, the expensive watches, the diamond earrings, and the big shoes, or whatever the hell they were rocking. They wanted to impress you. See, rich is all about being flashy, but rich can be faked. You see, if your personal finance journey is just to impress a bunch of people, you're never going to get there. And even if you do, it's never sustainable. Wealth is different. Wealth is built over time. Wealth compounds. Wealth allows itself to grow. Wealth means you need to have discipline. It's the truth. The majority of people on Instagram and on YouTube who think that they have wealth are really rich because they need to tell you that they're rich. That's the first key caveat of being rich and wealthy. Rich people need to tell you that they're rich. Wealthy people have other people tell you that they're wealthy. See the difference? It's like the GOAT conversation. When someone says that they're the greatest of all time, they're not. You let other people tell you they're the greatest of all time. It's the same thing when it comes to wealth. You never really want to shoot for being rich. You never want to shoot for being rich. These are the folks who want to wear everything name brand. These are the folks that want to do everything just to impress another person. But being wealthy is completely different. Wealth is what you transfer to your kids. Wealth is what you transfer to other generations. Wealth is what you give in terms of your knowledge and your money. Do you know that one of the first things about wealth that I learned? It's not your pockets. When it comes to wealth, it's your mind. You see, most people think when they think of wealth, they see the dollar sign. When I see wealth, I think of the money, but I think of the money here. You see, your wealth is based in your mind first before it hits your pockets. You have to be prepared here for the money you're going to receive. Rich people don't think that. That's why they call it get rich quick schemes, right? Because they want to be rich now. So they can pull up with the new car and the new chain and the new watch and the new rings and the Louis Vuitton shoes and blah, 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 blah. But when it comes to being wealthy, you start here. You have to be rich here first before you're rich in public. You have to be wealthy here first before you're wealthy in public. There's a completely different mindset. Wealthy people do reach a point of being rich, but they keep going. You see, wealthy people have established here the mindset to accumulate wealth. That's what I want you guys to focus on today. Don't just look to be rich. If you're looking to be rich, ask yourself, why the hell do you care about all these other people's opinion? Why do you care about impressing a bunch of people you don't like and you don't know? Accumulate wealth. Wealth is what you can give to your kids. Wealth is what you can pass on. Wealth is the legacy you leave as you leave this earth, because wealth starts here, not here. I'm Debt-Free Joel. I hope you like these type of videos. Feel free to click the like and subscribe button. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at Debt-Free Joel. I put a ton of information as it pertains to finance, on saving, on investing, and most importantly, on charity. Until next time, keep your money up.